with Optimus 3, which is really the right design. It's like it doesn't have at this point. There's no significant flaws with the Optimus 3 design, but we are going to retool a bunch of things. So it'll probably be prototypes of Optimus 3 end of this year, and then scale production next year. We're going to try to scale Optimus production as fast as it's humanly possible to do so, and try to get to 1 million units a year as quickly as possible.
Back in March 2025, during an internal company meeting, Elon Musk announced bold plans to build thousands of Optimus robots this year, with the next scale-up phase targeting 50,000 units in 2026 and a jaw-dropping 500,000 units by 2027. But then came June 2025. Reports confirmed that Tesla's Optimus production was paused due to technical challenges, and current builds were still being assembled manually, with serious limitations on scalability. But a surprise twist came in late July. Tesla confirmed that a large number of Optimus robots have now been produced, though not for consumer use just yet. Instead, they're being deployed for internal purposes only. The real kicker? These bots feature a never-before-seen design, one that hasn't been shown to the public. Even more impressive, production has now ramped up to a rate of 1,000 units per month. Optimus version 3 is expected to handle up to 3,000 useful tasks, and the first production run units are set to launch at $10,990. So, what will the Gen 3 Tesla bot actually look like? And what exactly are these 3,000 useful tasks? Welcome to Tesla Car World. Tesla's second quarter earnings call just wrapped up. The energy was palpable, as Elon Musk confirmed several major updates about the upcoming Tesla bot version 3. Most notably, a massive design overhaul compared to the current 2.5 version we've seen so far. Now, we all know that design isn't the most critical factor in a humanoid robot, but let's be honest, it still matters. Nobody wants to bring home a robot that looks like a terrifying Terminator, right? But that's just the beginning. Musk made it clear that Tesla bot Gen 3 will feature significantly more degrees of freedom. If you know even a little about humanoid robotics, you'll understand just how big of a deal that is. It directly affects how human-like the robot can be, in both movement and functionality. Right now, Tesla has already been producing Optimus units for internal use. But once this humanoid robot actually reaches consumers, it could look like an entirely different product. At least, that's what Elon Musk hinted at during the second quarter earnings call. When Optimus was first unveiled at Tesla's AI Day event back in 2021, the company had nothing more than a static model of the humanoid robot, and a person in a robot suit dancing awkwardly on stage. Yep, that was it. But over the years, Tesla has steadily revealed increasingly advanced versions of the Optimus robot, culminating in Gen 2 and 2.5, which are now actively in production. During Tesla's all-hands meeting in the first quarter 2025, CEO Elon Musk told employees that the company will aim to produce the first true army of Optimus robots by the end of this year.
We hopefully will be able to make about 5,000 Optimus robots. We're aiming for enough parts to make 10,000, maybe 12,000. But since it's a totally new product with totally new, like everything is totally new, I'll say like we're succeeding if we get to half of the 10th.
At the time, most expectations pointed toward Tesla continuing with mass production of Optimus Gen 2.5, perhaps with a few key upgrades, like the addition of hands with 22 degrees of freedom. And honestly, that speculation made a lot of sense. After all, Optimus Gen 2 already moved impressively well, and its design looked far more refined than most humanoid robots from competing companies. But by the time the second quarter 2025 earnings call rolled around, Elon Musk made one thing crystal clear. When Optimus enters full-scale production, it will feature the version 3 design. Translation? The first Optimus units shipped to customers won't look like the Gen 2.5 robots Tesla's been using internally since 2023. They'll be something completely different. Elon Musk sounded genuinely optimistic about the potential of Optimus Gen 3, calling its design elegant, and once again reiterating his bold prediction. Optimus could become Tesla's biggest product ever.
Yeah. So the Optimus 3 design, as I mentioned earlier, is I think finally the right design. There'll be further optimizations, but there are no fundamental changes that are needed for the Optimus 3 design. It has all the degrees of freedom that you really want or need.
Musk added that the design of Optimus 3 is elegant. This time, he emphasized that every part of Optimus has been engineered based on fundamental physics principles. With version 3, the robot has been almost completely redesigned compared to version 2.5. According to leaks, Optimus 3 will feature a front-facing digital display and Grok voice support, something Musk had previously confirmed. The screen will show the bot's current status along with any information the user wants to look up. Put simply, it's like having a computer screen right on the Tesla bot's face. As for the body, Tesla is reportedly aiming for a lighter overall design in order to improve Optimus's walking speed. It still hasn't hit the company's goal of 5 miles per hour. It's unclear exactly how Tesla's engineering team plans to make that happen. They might switch to lighter materials or redesign the still rough joint structure. But according to Elon Musk, the new design is going to be something extraordinary, and it's expected to be revealed later this year. If our prediction is right, Elon Musk could unveil Tesla Bot version 3 at the biggest event this November, Tesla Shareholder Meeting 2025. And that would make perfect sense, especially since Musk has already hinted at the idea of a few Optimus robots making an on-stage appearance during the annual shareholder event. As it stands, Optimus version 2.5 is limited to around 1,500 basic tasks. But with version 3, that number could easily double. Why? Because the robot will be able to perform a wider range of actions. For example, while Optimus 2.5 might be able to hold an egg without breaking it, Optimus 3 could take it a step further, crack the egg, cook it, and serve a perfect fried egg. You get the idea. More degrees of freedom mean greater precision and increased flexibility. So, hitting 3,000 useful tasks? Honestly, not that surprising. That said, along with all the excitement about this next-gen version, Elon Musk also acknowledged the reality. Building Tesla Bot version 3 is an insanely hard problem. He made it clear that none of the components are off the shelf because frankly nothing out there really fits the needs of a robot this advanced. From motors and gearboxes to power electronics and sensors, every single part has been custom designed by Tesla from the ground up. Musk stated bluntly, they even have to train Optimus to use its limbs and sensors via neural networks. What's interesting is that once again, Musk drew a direct comparison between Optimus and Tesla's electric vehicles, saying both are essentially robots, just in different forms. He emphasized that Tesla is applying the same AI optimization techniques used in its self-driving cars to the development of Optimus. That includes using neural networks to train the robot's limbs and sensors, just like it does for full self-driving. And on the hardware side, Tesla is making big moves too. The company recently committed $16.5 billion in investment with Samsung Electronics to produce its next-gen AI 6 chips, a key component powering both Tesla's autonomous vehicles and the Optimus robot. Tesla has locked in a game-changing $16.5 billion chip supply deal with Samsung Electronics, with production of custom AI chips set to take place at Samsung's brand-new semiconductor facility in Taylor, Texas. This multi-year agreement, confirmed by Tesla CEO Elon Musk after Samsung filed for regulatory approval, will remain in effect through December 31, 2033, and focus on Tesla's next-gen AI 6 chips. These chips are a critical part of scaling Tesla bot production, with at least 5,000 units planned for 2025. The new AI 6 chip, designed specifically for Tesla Bot Gen 3, further deepens Tesla's commitment to custom silicon as the backbone for real-time decision-making platforms. So what exactly can Tesla Bot Gen 3 do with those 3,000 new tasks? At the 2024 annual shareholder meeting, Elon Musk stated, "Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow." Just as many predicted, the Optimus robot is being upgraded to Generation 3 with a number of remarkable improvements. Musk even described it as something resembling C-3PO from Star Wars, in real life. But that's not even the most surprising thing Musk has said about Tesla's humanoid robot. Tesla may be able to produce this robot for only $10,000. And according to Musk, thousands of Optimus units could be operating inside Tesla factories by 2025. Those numbers sound crazy, and yet Musk has once again confirmed the expected price. And perhaps most astonishing of all, Elon Musk recently claimed that Tesla's Optimus robot could help the company reach a $25 trillion market value, more than half the combined value of every company currently in the S&P 500. Hard to believe? Maybe. It's fascinating to hear Elon Musk talk about the potential of humanoid robots, in much the same way he once spoke about Tesla's electric vehicles back in 2007 and 2008, with a sense of limitless possibility. One of the first surprises Musk mentioned about Optimus is that it could eventually be customized to understand people, understand its owner. We all know that for now Optimus doesn't have much tech inside, mainly just 2D cameras. But that's far from the endgame. In future upgrades, we're likely to see far more advanced features, including interactive displays and voice capabilities. Musk pointed out, you'll be able to customize its personality, customize its voice, and over time the robot will understand you better. It'll know your preferences. You won't even need to say anything. It'll just understand you. That means we could one day build an Optimus that's shaped by our own personality traits, habits, and behaviors. Owners may even be able to customize their robot's voice, choosing between male or female, different regional accents, or even adjusting communication speed depending on the set language. We already imagined how smart Optimus could become with Tesla's advanced AI and neural network training, but honestly, hearing Musk lay it out like this. With most humanoid robots we've seen so far, when you first bring them home, you typically spend months or even years teaching them how to do basic tasks. But with Optimus, or more specifically according to Musk, Tesla bot users won't need to walk it through every little instruction. Instead, the robot will be able to automatically understand and react based on context and the user's habits. Optimus can make predictions and take action based on what it's learned from just a short period of interaction. For example, rub your stomach and it knows you're hungry. Making a sandwich? No problem with its 22 degrees of freedom compared to a human's 27. Or frown and point at the lawn, and Optimus might head out and start mowing it. No verbal command needed. That's exactly the kind of intuitive learning Elon Musk was talking about. And honestly, it's kind of amazing. Of course, Optimus still requires training today, but in just a few years it won't need intensive instruction beyond simply watching a video or observing someone perform a task. According to Musk, training will eventually become much more generalized, and by 2026 you'll be able to ask it to complete a wide variety of tasks, even ones it's never done before. As of now, we still don't know exactly what Optimus Gen 3 is capable of, but Elon Musk has predicted that one day, the robot could behave like a real-world version of R2-D2, or C-3PO, from Star Wars. Optimus could become something everyone wants to have. Optimus Gen 3 is expected to handle at least 70 tasks compared to the human hand's estimated 100-task capability, powered by its 27 degrees of freedom. Beyond just playing the piano, as mentioned earlier, Musk also claimed that his humanoid robot could thread a needle, which may sound exaggerated, but actually falls within Optimus's skill range. In fact, many experts agree. Optimus's hands may represent the most advanced technology on the market right now, especially when stacked up against other humanoid robot makers. And let's be honest, the demand for humanoid robots is going to explode in the next decade. Everyone's going to want a homemaker of their own. It's no coincidence that Musk is now laser-focused on robots instead of electric cars. But perhaps the biggest shock in the entire robotics industry? Elon Musk's claim that Tesla can mass-produce Optimus for just $10,000 and sell it for $20,000 per unit. That's right, Tesla absolutely can produce these robots for just $10,000 once the company reaches full-scale mass production supported by a dedicated gigafactory built specifically for humanoid robots. Of course, that's not going to happen right away. And let's be honest, the $20,000 price tag per Optimus isn't exactly what Musk meant. At least not in the short term. We have to acknowledge that. Sure, it'll still be cheaper than anything else on the market, but not next year. That $20,000 price point, it sounds more like a 2028 or 2030 reality. And we say that because Musk recently confirmed that Tesla plans to lease the technology first, before opening up direct sales, which means actually buying one won't be easy at first. Leasing just makes more sense in the early phase. By 2028 and beyond, Tesla could be generating hundreds of billions in annual profit from Optimus alone. That kind of valuation? Absolutely insane, and it's all based on a robot. As production ramps up, Optimus will scale much faster, and while early units may seem complex and expensive, they won't stay that way. With large-scale manufacturing, this robot could soon become even more scalable than Tesla's electric vehicles. While Elon Musk hasn't gone into great detail about the current development timeline for Optimus, he did hint at a much clearer plan for how these humanoid robots will be used inside Tesla's own factories. In just 2 years, Optimus has made incredible progress, with its task capabilities expanding rapidly. The latest example? It can now sort 4680 battery cells off the production line and even correct errors automatically. Because of these impressive abilities, Musk revealed that Tesla may have 1,000 or more Optimus robots working inside its electric vehicle factories as early as next year. Now, let's be clear. We're not endorsing replacing people with robots, but sometimes there are realities we have to face. By 2030, Tesla's human workforce could shrink by as much as 60%, simply due to the rise of robots like Optimus. These machines operate 24/7 without rest, and even when the battery runs low, it only takes about 5 minutes to fully recharge, thanks to a compact 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack that charges fast. It could save Tesla hundreds of thousands of dollars per year per robot compared to paying a human worker. Cheaper, more efficient, faster, and almost unbelievably accurate. Let's face it, humans just can't compete with that level of precision, and robots don't come with labor laws. Whether we're ready or not, the age of factory automation is already here. In a world filled with overhyped promises and flashy demos, Tesla's Optimus stands apart as a truly transformative force in humanoid robotics. While many companies focus on attention-grabbing tricks, Optimus quietly shifts the boundaries of what's possible. Picture a robot that speaks with the ease of Sophia, moves with the agility of Atlas, and offers support on par with Toyota's THR3. Only this one does it all with near-total autonomy. With 99% of its actions requiring no human input, Optimus isn't just an innovation, it's a revolution. The latest version, Optimus Gen 3, showcases just how far Tesla has pushed the envelope. This is no clunky machine. It handles tasks requiring delicacy and precision, like lifting a glass or unscrewing a jar lid. It can even assemble small devices with remarkable coordination. One key advancement from the previous model is an added joint in the hands, giving it better grip and control. If Tesla truly manages to mass-produce the Optimus Gen 3 robot for just $10,000, should governments step in to regulate how and where these humanoid robots are used? Or should the market decide their role in society? Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Tesla Car World. Humanoid robots have been making headlines across the tech world lately, featured in every keynote, every demo reel, and every conference about the future of work. The problem is, it still hasn't become mainstream. Their dexterity hasn't yet reached human levels. And their reliability and cost have not improved significantly. That partly explains why the dream of a household robot hasn't truly won people over, especially when these machines are expected to cost anywhere from $50,000 to $200,000 once they hit the market, and trust remains a major unresolved issue. And that's before Tesla unveiled the Optimus Gen 3 design, which Elon Musk has called the biggest product Tesla has ever made. But don't get us wrong, the recent images of the Tesla bot serving at the Tesla diner aren't the Gen 3 version. As Elon Musk clarified during the second quarter 2025 earnings call, it's actually the 2.5 version.
So we're on Optimus version 2 right now, sort of 2.5. Optimus 3 is It is an exquisite design, in my opinion. Will be an incredible, as I've said many times before, predicted it will be the biggest product ever.
According to the announcement, the Optimus Gen 3 will launch at scale in the fourth quarter 2025, with pre-orders expected to open in October. There will be two options available: a base model priced at $15,989 and a premium version with full functionality. Its final price will vary depending on the number of integrated tasks and advanced customization based on your specific needs.
We'll have prototypes of that in, I don't know, 3 months, and then start tooling up production.
So, what exactly can the $15,989 Tesla Bot Gen 3 do? What impressive features have been optimized? What compromises have been made? And does this robot truly strike the right balance between affordability and functionality? Welcome to the Tesla car world. Until now, dozens of Optimus prototypes are already operating inside Tesla's gigafactories, handling everything from wire transport to battery sorting. That number alone says a lot. It shows just how firmly Tesla still holds its place as the gold standard in humanoid robotics, with few competitors even coming close. But let's be real. Tesla has pioneered advancements in AI training and custom actuators, and that's largely why it's ahead of the pack. But the cost of high-end GPUs and precision motors has surged. Musk's xAI is now raising another $12 billion to secure new GPU orders, following a massive 200,000-unit GPU deal the company doubled down on last December. A single H100 card now goes for over $40,000 on the black market. These silicon beasts are the main power source behind Optimus's neural networks. So yeah, GPU prices, servos, the entire brain of the robot, they've all skyrocketed. In some bidding wars, costs have doubled before a single robot even leaves the factory. At this point, a major question consumers need Tesla to answer is, how can Tesla possibly build a Tesla bot priced at $15,989 when every cost is soaring? And is the title of the best homemaker truly deserved? To address this question, Elon Musk confidently stated,
We hopefully will be able to make about 5,000 Optimus robots. We're aiming for enough parts to make 10,000, maybe 12,000. But since it's a totally new product with totally new, like everything is totally new, I'll say like we're succeeding if we get to half of the 10th.
If Tesla stays on track and delivers full-scale deployment as envisioned, while continuing to slash costs with each successive generation, Optimus won't just be a breakthrough in robotics, it will redefine the category entirely. Just as lithium-ion technology transformed EVs from futuristic novelties into the automotive norm, Optimus has the potential to make humanoid robots a standard, unremarkable part of everyday life. Our predictions are right. Elon Musk may unveil the Tesla Bot Gen 3 at the company's biggest event this November, the Tesla Shareholders Meeting 2025. That would make perfect sense, especially since Musk has hinted at the idea of a few Optimus robots making an appearance on stage during the annual gathering. They might do something entertaining, like dancing or carrying a microphone onto the stage. One thing we're confident about: Optimus Gen 3 will launch by the end of this year, marking exactly 2 years since Gen 2 was introduced in late 2023. The redesign of Optimus Gen 3 also plays a key role in expanding the number of useful tasks it can perform. A better design allows Tesla to add more degrees of freedom, making the robot more capable and versatile. But to be truly convincing, we care less about flashy demos and more about whether the robot can reliably handle the everyday tasks that eat up hours of our week. Folding laundry, moving boxes, even organizing bolts in a home workshop. We all know that design isn't the most critical aspect of a humanoid robot, but let's be honest, it still matters. No one wants to buy a robot that looks like a terrifying Terminator, right? But that's not all. Musk emphasized that the Tesla Bot Gen 3 will feature significantly more degrees of freedom. If you know anything about humanoid robots, you'll understand just how important that is. It directly impacts how human-like the robot's movements and functions can be. Optimus Gen 3 is expected to be capable of performing up to 3,000 useful tasks. And according to Musk, once again, this will be Tesla's biggest and most mass-produced product ever.
This Optimus 3 design, as I mentioned earlier, is, I think, finally the right design. There will be further optimizations, but there are no fundamental changes that are needed for the Optimus 3 design. It has all the degrees of freedom that you really want or need.
In the near future, we hope that when the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is officially released, it will deliver on 3 major fronts: consistent dexterity, predictable uptime, and a local ecosystem of replaceable parts, so components can be swapped out nearby rather than shipping the entire unit back to Fremont. When Elon says Tesla aims to build 5,000 robots this year, the real headline isn't the scale of the factory run. It's the promise that spare parts, like a new wrist joint or camera board, will be easy to access and priced like an everyday Model 3 door handle. Producing that many robots also pushes Tesla's software and safety systems to perform in the real world. Thousands of messy kitchens and crowded factory aisles, not just a tidy showroom. From where we sit, every little drop in price or accident risk matters more than another fancy backflip. Once the hardware is good enough, Tesla can keep adding abilities through quick software updates, especially those that teach Optimus how and where to grab things. No wrenches needed, just new code. That's why Elon calling Optimus 3 the Keeper is a relief. We won't be stuck waiting for another huge redesign. Instead, we can look forward to steady tweaks and improvements that make each robot smarter, safer, and cheaper over time. During the second quarter earnings call, Elon Musk emphasized that every component of Optimus is designed based on fundamental principles of physics. With version 3, the robot has been almost entirely redesigned compared to version 2.5. According to leaked information, Optimus 3 will feature a front-facing digital display and support for Grok voice interaction, something Musk had previously confirmed. The screen will display the robot's current status and any information the user wants to look up. Put simply, it will be like having a computer screen right on the face of the Tesla bot. Typically, the head of a humanoid robot is designed to be compact to resemble human proportions while maintaining aesthetics. Moreover, 2 critical components, the high frame rate sensor and camera and the voice recognition microphone for identifying the owner's voice, are housed in the head. This design allows Optimus to recognize and process commands up to 10 times faster compared to separating the 2 systems. Optimus's walking speed, which still hasn't reached the company's target of 8 kilometers per hour. It's not yet clear exactly how the engineering team plans to upgrade the torso, possibly by switching to lighter materials or redesigning the still bulky joint structure. But according to Elon Musk, the new design will be something extraordinary and is expected to be revealed later this year. According to engineers' estimates, the torso will account for about 40% of the robot's total height, approximately 24 inches, based on human anatomical proportions. This size is ideal for housing key internal components, such as the 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, or potentially a larger one in future versions. The hardware considered the robot's brain, and 2 of the 40 actuators located within the torso. Moreover, placing the battery in the torso helps reduce the load on the upper body, enhances balance, and lowers the risk of damage in the event of a fall or collision. Tesla has demonstrated this in demo videos showing the robot climbing stairs, descending slopes, and navigating uneven terrain without falling. A clear sign that this design maximizes Optimus's mobility. What is the usage plan for Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 3? Optimus is getting smarter by the day, if not by the hour or even the minute. Tesla continues to invest heavily in training and data collection as it prepares to bring the robot into production. One of Optimus' standout features is its ability to learn from video. That's right. This is Tesla's key to accelerating development and scaling Optimus' task capabilities at a rapid pace. Hundreds of tasks per day? Not an exaggeration. Just turn on the TV, load up YouTube, and let Optimus watch videos of cooking, vacuuming, making coffee, or mowing the lawn. And boom, it picks up those skills incredibly fast from those clips. Optimus can watch a video, a YouTube tutorial, or any kind of footage. And from that video, just like a human, it can learn how to do the task. This unlocks massive scalability because now it can learn almost anything, fast. You can say, pick up a cup, pick up a shirt, fold the shirt. I think those things will generalize pretty quickly. To make AI truly powerful and useful in the real world, capable of helping humans, Optimus is the ultimate machine with enormous potential. You can ask AI how to fix a leaky pipe, and it will explain it, but you still have to do the work yourself. Now imagine that same AI inside a robot that can think, move, and control its own hands. It can fix the pipe for you. That's the real difference between standard AI and a humanoid robot. What sets Tesla apart is the way it's developing Optimus. Unlike competitors burning through cash to build robots that can run, jump, or boast ultra-intelligent AI, Elon says Tesla is taking a different path. More than half of the engineering team's effort is focused on one thing: the hands. Musk has repeatedly emphasized that the hands are a major challenge, perhaps the biggest hurdle in the entire project. Unlike other components, Elon Musk believes that nearly all of human intelligence is expressed through our hands. He stresses that over millions of years of evolution, no part of the human body has been more crucial than the hands. From the earliest days of human awareness, our ancestors were able to build massive structures and perform complex tasks without advanced cognitive tools. That's why Elon Musk and Tesla made the hands the engineering centerpiece of the Optimus robot. Musk is convinced that with this design, the Tesla bot will surpass its rivals and become the most advanced humanoid robot in the world, capable of handling hundreds, even thousands of workers. A robot with a smart brain is useless without human-like hands. That's why Tesla bot is the world's first humanoid robot, with hands offering 22 degrees of freedom, just 5 shy of the 27 degrees in a human hand. From the beginning, there was speculation that the Optimus robot would be limited to internal use at Tesla's automotive factories, with no clear plans for consumer applications. However, Elon Musk clarified on X that Tesla does intend to deploy a limited number of humanoid robots within the company starting in 2025. Looking ahead to the future of manufacturing, one thing is clear: it will rely heavily on robotics. Automation is critical for long-term sustainability, and Musk has long championed the concept of a machine that builds machines. Tesla's gigafactories are already filled with industrial automation, from massive robotic arms and gigapresses to advanced stamping and paint systems. But the limitation with these machines is that they're stationary and built for one specialized task. Creating a fully automated production line is difficult when each machine can only perform a single function. That's where mobile, multi-purpose robots come in, and that's exactly what Tesla is developing. In the most recent Optimus demo, the robot navigates through a live production environment filled with workers and machines. What's remarkable is its ability to move through an unfamiliar space, much like a human might explore a new environment. In massive facilities like Giga, Texas, getting around usually requires checking maps or following signs. Optimus, however, can autonomously scan and map its surroundings, recognize equipment and people, and use that data to guide its behavior. This demonstrates how Tesla is integrating the robot into real-world factory operations, not just staged demos. At present, the manufacturing sector is short roughly 300,000 workers. Warehousing and logistics are facing an even bigger gap, between 600,000 and 700,000 unfilled roles. The concept of using robots isn't new, but what's changed is the rapid advancement of AI that makes these machines far more capable. Musk believes Optimus could become Tesla's most valuable product, potentially accounting for the bulk of the company's future value. He estimated the global demand for humanoid robots could reach 10 to 20 billion units, positioning Tesla to become the largest robotics company in the world. He's not alone in this belief. Investors are pouring funding into robotic startups, and analysts project the humanoid robot market will grow to $38 billion by 2035. That's why we're seeing a steady stream of new companies entering the field, from North America to China. What truly sets Tesla apart, though, is its production model. Unlike many competitors, Tesla has built every part of Optimus in-house. All actuators and mechanical components are designed by Tesla's motor team, and the electronics and batteries are also Tesla-made. This level of vertical integration gives the company a massive advantage in scaling quickly, without relying on outside suppliers. It also supports Elon Musk's claim that Tesla can produce Optimus at a fraction of the industry average per T, estimating the cost per unit at around $10,000. Tesla has made remarkable progress with Optimus in a short time. If development continues at this pace, personal robots like R2-D2 or C3PO may no longer be confined to science fiction. Optimus could one day help with education, childcare, walking pets, yard work, shopping, or simply providing companionship. As production scales and prices drop, this kind of personal assistant could become accessible to many. That said, mass-producing Optimus Gen 3 won't be without its challenges. Musk has acknowledged that overly complex designs, like what happened with the Cybertruck, can create significant delays. Avoiding those pitfalls will be critical as Tesla pushes toward widespread deployment. Tesla produce a humanoid robot for just $15,989 when a single GPU alone can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Tesla Car World and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. The year 2025 is shaping up to be a turning point for Tesla's robot ambitions. While competitors like Unitree Robotics have launched their basic G1 model starting at $16,000, and startups such as Agility Robotics are offering bipedal robot prototypes for as little as $10,000. Their field tests this year have already gone well beyond Tesla's limited showcase events. So, when rumors first started swirling about a $30,000 price tag for Optimus, many people just shrugged it off. That's still too expensive for most households, and a lot higher than entry-level robots from competitors. That's why, during the grand opening of the Tesla Diner, Elon Musk stunned the crowd by announcing that the base version of Optimus would start at just $18,999, a move no one saw coming. Still, we think folks shouldn't get too excited just yet. To hit that $19,900 price point, this base model of the Tesla Bot Optimus will likely come with fewer advanced features, reduced sensor capacity, or a smaller battery. It's probably designed mainly for simple, repetitive tasks, and that might stir up some debate. After all, it could leave fans feeling let down if they were expecting a real-life mashup of C3PO and R2-D2. However, deliveries are expected to begin in the first quarter of 2026, coinciding with the global rollout of Tesla's Diner concept. Tesla is expected to offer more options for the Tesla Optimus, with pricing that naturally varies to suit different needs. Let's take a closer look at how Tesla has streamlined Optimus, what impressive features have been optimized, what compromises have been made, and whether this robot truly strikes the right balance between affordability and capability. Welcome to Tesla Car World. So, what exactly do you get with the $18,999 Tesla Bot Optimus? On July 21st, 2025, Tesla officially opened its Tesla Diner and Drive-In at 7001 Santa Monica Boulevard, in the heart of Hollywood, Los Angeles. More than just a charging stop with 75 to 80 V4 supercharger stalls, the location is styled like a classic 1950 American diner, featuring a retro-futuristic vibe and two giant outdoor LED screens showing drive-in movies. Visitors can order food right from their car's touchscreen and enjoy comfort food favorites like burgers, chicken wings, and milkshakes, all served in quirky, Cybertruck-shaped boxes. But perhaps the real highlight of the soft launch wasn't the food, the restaurant's scale, or even the high-powered chargers. It was the live appearance of Tesla Optimus, personally handing out popcorn to guests. It was a mix of futuristic tech, and fun that quickly captured the attention of both the media and excited fans. The latest clip posted by Elon Musk on X shows the Optimus robot gently scooping up a tub of popcorn, handing it over with a polite thumbs up and a friendly wave. While its movements are noticeably cautious and a bit slower than a human's, it completes the task smoothly, without spilling or stumbling. In the updated video footage, Tesla Optimus demonstrates impressive coordination between situational awareness and social interaction through a series of subtle actions and gestures. From the very first moment it engages with a customer, responding to a verbal request for popcorn, the Tesla bot fully understands the context, walks over to the popcorn machine, grips the cup firmly, and performs the sequence of tasks with impressive fluidity. But wow, just watch how it instinctively adjusts its grip after realizing it squeezed the cup too tightly. That alone is impressive, even before we start imagining it handling more complex tasks like doing laundry, cooking, caring for pets, or assisting the elderly with medical needs. We wouldn't be surprised at all if Tesla later comes out and says this robot will be fully autonomous, and Elon Musk confidently declares, this will become normal in a few years. Take a look. Optimus doesn't just carry out mechanical tasks. The robot also responds with social gestures, shaking hands, waving after handing over a cup, giving a thumbs up, doing fist bumps, or even forming a heart shape with its hands for customers. It constantly displays a cooperative and approachable demeanor. Throughout the popcorn serving process, Optimus shows a high level of precision, responding to compliments from the person filming with gestures that mirror common human body language. But let's be honest, at a price point under $20,000, we probably can't ask for much more. Even Optimus seems to acknowledge that.
What else can you do? Are you able to talk? Guess not today?
Even without saying much, Optimus still communicates effectively through a series of social gestures, proving it's more than just a machine following commands. It acts as an interactive partner, listening to instructions, picking up on tones of praise, and responding with body language, from handshakes to fist bumps, creating an experience that feels friendly, personal, and surprisingly human. Recently, Elon Musk made a bold statement about Tesla Optimus, declaring it will be the best humanoid robot in the world. Tesla has added a number of unique and essential features that make Optimus ready for real integration into everyday life, features that no other robot on the market currently offers. Tesla engineers have conducted extensive testing, and the results show incredibly impressive capabilities and performance after only a short time in operation. It goes far beyond just cooking or cleaning the house.
My guess is humanoid robots are more like at a billion plus per year.
Tesla is gearing up to produce millions of humanoid robots and plans to continue scaling up until the number of Optimus units reaches into the billions worldwide. The idea is simple. These robots will handle countless tasks around your home, and all it takes is a $20,000 investment to own one. Elon Musk and the Tesla team have repeatedly emphasized the wide range of jobs Optimus is designed to perform, everything from basic household chores to more complex responsibilities. It's no coincidence that Tesla is boldly claiming to have created the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. What would you think about a humanoid robot that could make your breakfast every morning, mow the lawn, fold your laundry, or even help tutor your child? No private teacher required. The idea is simple. By using a robot to handle household responsibilities, you're saving the three things that everyone wants more of: time, energy, and money. When it comes to the kind of work Tesla bot can take on, Elon Musk has confidently stated again and again that Optimus is built to replace humans in the kinds of daily tasks that are dull, repetitive, or even hazardous. He's even hinted that this robot could eventually help you earn money. Still, not everyone's convinced. We've seen plenty of skeptical comments suggesting that even if Elon dropped the price to $10,000, or even $5,000, they wouldn't buy it if it ended up being just an overpriced gadget with limited functionality. But let's be honest, one of the biggest reasons people, ourselves included, would turn to a robot like this is because we want life to be easier. With only 24 hours in a day and over a third of that spent at work, coming home to a pile of chores can feel like a nightmare. Now, imagine something different. You walk through the door to find a hot meal freshly prepared, the house spotless, and, better yet, your robot already on its way to grab a cold beer or your favorite drink from the fridge while you sink into the couch. Tesla played a major role in popularizing electric vehicles, but they've also become a huge catalyst in the humanoid robot industry. In just 12 years since launching its first Model S back in 2013, Tesla has delivered over 8.12 million electric vehicles as of the end of the second quarter 2025. If Tesla begins selling Optimus in 2026, then over the following 11 years, it's entirely possible the company could reach robot sales in the billions. CEO Elon Musk has estimated that long-term demand for general-purpose robots could exceed 20 billion units, including around 8 billion for personal consumer use and the rest for industrial needs. Musk also believes that each Optimus Gen 3 unit could be priced between $20,000 and $25,000, significantly cheaper than a typical car. Of course, such ambition hasn't come without skepticism. Many still question the real-world usefulness of humanoid robots, and even with a reduced price, the technology may remain out of reach for most people. To win over customers, Tesla has doubled down on innovation. At the We Robot event in October 2024, dozens of second-generation Optimus robots served drinks and interacted with guests, showcasing their ability to combine AI and advanced mechanics in a practical setting. More recently, Tesla affirmed that the Optimus V3 has been integrated with the Grok chatbot, enabling more natural and flexible voice interactions. The robot has also demonstrated its ability to climb stairs, recharge itself, and navigate fully autonomously. It delivers between 8 to 10 hours of battery life per charge and can recharge up to 70% capacity in just 10 minutes. From a technical, design, and large-scale manufacturing standpoint, we genuinely believe that only Tesla has the capability to pull this off. Why? Simply put, Elon Musk and the Tesla Optimus team haven't lost sight of the human element during development. From the very beginning, Optimus was built to feel human-like. Standing at about 5 feet 10 inches tall and weighing a manageable 132 pounds, it's not bulky or intimidating, even in smaller homes. Let's face it, no one wants a loud robot clunking around the house while doing chores. That's why Tesla made the conscious choice to avoid using hydraulic actuators, even though they could have added more power and flexibility. Noise matters in a home environment, and Tesla designed Optimus with that in mind. One of the most common questions people have about Optimus is, if you buy one, how long can it actually run before needing a recharge, and how long does charging take? To be fair, we're not the engineers behind the Tesla bot, so it's tough to give a detailed, perfectly accurate breakdown of how its internal systems work or how long its battery really lasts. According to Tesla, Optimus is capable of operating up to 20 hours a day. But with a battery capacity of just 2.3 kilowatt-hour, that claim does raise some eyebrows. The truth is, whether you're working in a factory, at the office, or at home, most people can't work for 8 hours straight without a break, let alone 20. Humans need lunch breaks and downtime. A robot, on the other hand, might only need 15 to 30 minutes to recharge. With this battery, Optimus's real-world continuous usage might be closer to 6 hours per charge. So if you're aiming for 20 hours of operation, it may need to recharge at least 3 times. That said, we seriously doubt most people will ever need to run Optimus for that long in a single day. It's clear that this isn't a factory-grade labor replacement. Why will Tesla bot Optimus keep its under $20,000 price? The key reason behind all this lies in the extremely competitive pricing, designed to attract millions of pre-orders, estimated at around 3 to 4 million units, which could even outpace demand for the Cybertruck. Elon Musk has repeatedly stated that the price of Optimus will hover around $20,000 and possibly even lower. Back at AI Day, he mentioned that the expected cost of Optimus would be significantly less than a car, likely under $20,000. More recently, as the promotional push ramps up ahead of the product launch, Musk reiterated that although the complexity per unit of mass in a humanoid robot is much higher than in a vehicle, the final cost will still end up being less than half that of a typical car. With these two statements, it's clear that Tesla is placing strong confidence in its ability to optimize manufacturing costs, an essential factor for keeping the price of Optimus under the $20,000 to $25,000 range. And when you compare that to the Model Y, Tesla's best-selling vehicle with a starting price of $43,000, $990 in the US. Musk's target price for Optimus begins to look especially compelling. To put it in perspective, most humanoid robots on the market today cost upwards of $150,000, such as Boston Dynamics Atlas and the Unitree H1. Some emerging competitors, like Kepler Forerunner, are targeting a $30,000 price point by the end of the year, while others, like NVIDIA's Groot project or Figure AI, are positioned even higher. Against that backdrop, Tesla bought Optimus coming in under $20,000 is not just a technological breakthrough. It's a bold, strategic move aimed at truly revolutionizing the consumer robotics space. The shocking revelations didn't stop there. Musk also posted on X that the price of the Optimus robot will drop over time. It might sound hard to believe right now, but we're confident that the Tesla bot could eventually be sold for under $20,000 in the coming years. A price point like $17,000, or even as low as $15,000, isn't out of the question. Of course, getting there might take years, possibly even decades, but knowing Elon Musk's track record, it's not outside the realm of possibility. Musk has essentially acknowledged that building the Tesla bot is significantly more complex than producing Tesla's electric vehicles. That might suggest the development process will be tougher and take more time. But interestingly, this isn't the main reason Tesla would raise the price of its robot. First off, Tesla already has the infrastructure and materials needed to support Optimus. They're also not overly constrained by robot software or processors. After all, Tesla is known for its full self-driving system, autopilot, the custom-built Dojo chip, and Elon Musk's deep bench of AI expertise. Battery supply? Also not a major concern. Tesla has both LFP batteries and its 4680 battery cells, which are already being produced at a scale that exceeds current demand for EVs and other devices. The truth is, if Tesla is facing any serious challenge at this point, it's more about talent than tech. There are still about 61 open positions related to Optimus production. So, while some may assume that manufacturing Optimus is an overwhelming task, the reality is far less dramatic. A $20,000 price point doesn't seem out of reach at all. And that's exactly why this competitive pricing stands out as one of the most compelling reasons Optimus could become a practical and appealing purchase. For example, at the grand opening of Tesla's new diner in Los Angeles, the company showcased Optimus Gen 2, far more than most people expected. Musk explained that by leveraging the entire foundation Tesla has already built for its vehicles, including battery systems, electric motors, control electronics, and AI software, the company has been able to accelerate robot production without having to rewrite everything from scratch. According to Elon Musk, cutting-edge technologies like the upgraded 4680 battery cells, third-generation permanent magnet motors, multi-level power distribution, and the new Dojo AI processor are all being applied directly to Optimus. He noted that everything Tesla has developed for its cars, from the self-driving neural network to the inference hardware, is a natural fit for the humanoid robot. At the event, Optimus demonstrated its service abilities by delivering orders to tables, pouring drinks, and even carefully clearing trays and wiping down surfaces after each guest. These tasks required a high level of precision in a tight kitchen space, something previous models could only handle in controlled lab conditions. Performance-wise, Optimus's walking speed has increased from 2 miles per hour to around 3.5 miles per hour, with a target of reaching 5 miles per hour by the end of the year. Tesla plans to roll out a firmware update in the fourth quarter 2025 that will enable Optimus to perform dual tasks simultaneously. For example, cleaning while monitoring kitchen safety conditions. From folding shirts and sorting batteries in its early days, Optimus has now evolved into a practical solution for service environments, capable of working in human-designed spaces, climbing stairs, using tools, and interacting with objects with impressive agility. While challenges still lie ahead, the fact that Tesla has moved Optimus out of the lab and into a real-world, high-reliability restaurant setting shows strong confidence in both the robot's safety and overall performance. It also offers customers a chance to interact directly with the product, laying the groundwork for what Elon Musk believes will become a massive waitlist, potentially numbering in the hundreds of thousands of pre-orders. Which feature of Optimus impressed you the most when it was serving at the Tesla diner? Its dexterity in handing out popcorn, its ability to sense and adjust its grip, or its social gestures like waving and shaking hands. Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to the Tesla Car World and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.